Once you completed sewing the row, lift the weft and ensure it is flexible, not too close to scalp. It has a good movement, and of course, it should be well hidden within your client's natural hair. Okay. We have now reached the crown row where we separated the hair from the beginning. Similar to the second row, leave 2 centimeters from the face and proceed to create a flawless row of micro rings, fitting them next to each other with no gaps. Once again, measure the weft and see how much weft you will need, and then cut the weft and then secure it with metal clips everywhere just to make sure it is in the place before you start stitching it. So in this video, I am actually showing you how I create the stitches using yellow thread. I also use the normal thread so you can see how hard it is to work with a normal thread, and that's one of the main reasons you should purchase the right thread for your sewing. As you can see, I start sewing from the second micro ring from the corner, and put the needle in a side of micro ring coming out in middle of the thread, and that makes it locked into the hair extension and the micro ring. Just don't forget, we are not going through the micro ring, and we are not going through the weft, and we're not damaging either. You secure the end of the weft by sewing it several times. In this video, you can see I'm using the other type of stitches. So instead of going from the top, I'm going from the bottom. So as like I said before, you can choose which one you prefer to work with, and either one of them works perfect. The third row is done and is perfectly secure, and normally your work is done, and then you can open the crown and see what you've done. However, sometimes you need to use 4 rows, but like I said, it depends how thin or thick and how short and long is your client's hair. This is literally what we want to achieve: the blend and the seamless hair extension result.